Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome in this video. Today I will teach you how to connect PHP with the database. And this is our task 4, and so I am making the task 4 folder into the ht.access. Control Shift N. Task 04. To connect the PHP with the database, I need 4 things: a server, database installed, to connect PHP with the database, I need 3 things. Number 1, PHP installed on the server, database created, and database credentials. And I will connect the PHP with the database by using a file db.php. This will act as a bridge between them. I will write the code, or you can say logic, in this file, which will help in the connection. Later, I will make the db.php file in this folder. First, I am creating the database. Now I am opening the XAMPP server, XAMPP control panel. Start Apache and start MySQL. I can access database through PHP MyAdmin. Click PHP MyAdmin. So the PHP MyAdmin is open. This is a GUI interface, but I can make the database by using the GUI. But here I am using the command line or SQL commands to make the database. To do that, click on SQL tab. I am writing the command, SQL command, to create the database. Create database. These are database commands or keywords, then the name of the database. Task 04 underscore DB. This is my database name. Then control enter this, run the query. So the database is created successfully. You can see in the left panel task 04 underscore DB. As I said earlier, I need 3 things to do this job. The one is PHP install on the server, database created, and database credentials. As I am using the local server, here the database credentials involves server name, username, password, and database name. In case of local server, the server name is localhost, username is root, and password is blank, and the database name is task04 underscore DB in my case. Now I am writing the code. I go to the folder .htaccess in task04. Now I'm creating the file here, new text, open, save as, db.php, file types all files, and then save. PHP file is created, open with the VS Code. PHP gives two methods to connect with the database, MySQLi and PDO. MySQLi means MySQLi improved, and PDO means PHP data object. MySQLi used with MySQL databases, and PDO used with general purpose databases. It supports approximately 12 types of databases. As I am using the MySQL database, in this case, the best method is MySQLi, and PHP gives a method, or you can say function, to connect PHP file with the database called MySQLi underscore connect. It takes four parameters: server name, username, password, and database. And these are called database credentials. So I am writing the four database credentials here first. PHP dollar server name localhost semicolon dollar username root dollar password blank dollar db underscore name or db name equal task04 task04 underscore db semicolon. MySQLi underscore connect. It takes four parameters. First one is server name, comma, dollar username, comma, dollar password, comma, dollar db name. This will connect the PHP file with the database, and I want to store the connection into another variable dollar $con. Now I am adding the check. If the database connection is failed, show the error. And if the database connection becomes successful, show the successful message. If dollar connection is failed, die. Die is a function which is used to truncate the script or terminate the script if the database connection is failed. Database connection is failed. Semicolon. Else echo database connect successful. The code is complete. Now go to the Chrome and then access this file. Localhost /task 04 /db.php. The fatal error call to undefined function ms. Oh, sorry, spelling is wrong. My my sqli. Check again. Warning. This is another error. He says no host with this name. I think my host name is wrong. Oh, spelling again is wrong. Local host. So, database connect successfully. So, we've done this job how to connect PHP with the database successfully. And thanks for watching.